Hi, welcome back to Let's Talk About Business. My name is Nelson Peña from IMC International, partnering with Dukascopy, Swiss Financial TV. We would like to proceed on the second part, discussing a very interesting investment alternative with Helene Chalamova from the Turquoise Finance in Geneva, talking about Viager, this very interesting financial solution. We were talking about the situation in Switzerland, isn't it? And I would like to talk also about Europe. Where do you see the development, and why do you think that not only from France, but also through Switzerland and other countries, we can apply these financial solutions, and why?
So the origin of this financial solution is France. So it's the biggest market and the more developed market. But the Europe is aging. All the European countries, they have the same problem. We will have in 2020 11% of the European citizens over 80 years old. All the countries, they have the same situation as Switzerland, and in Switzerland you have today 27% of persons, they are less than 25 years, and you will have these people, due to the lower, constantly declining birth rates, you will have less and less people, younger people, and more aged people. The statistics, they are telling that today we have 10% of the persons, they are over 64, and in 2050 we will have already 17% of these people. And the same situation you have in other countries where we see the very interesting life annuity market, like Germany, like Switzerland, like France, like Spain, like Italy, because in all those countries you have a very high owners rate. The people like to have the real estate, and the real estate is the asset. And today, due to the demographical problems, due to the financial problems, the life annuity is a solution up to time. So it's time to the market solution. And
What's the benefits? I mean, that this is a solution. What's the benefit for these happy couples, or now here the whole cycle? What is the benefits for a person who has an apartment, might be 75, for coming to you and do this kind of operations?
The advantages for those people is that they do not have to leave the house, they can stay inside, and they are taking the solution to sell in life annuity together with the children, because the children are already adult. So if you have the person of 75, the children is already adult, they are staying somewhere else, and they don't have maybe the sufficient revenue to pay the nursing home, or to pay the retirement home, or to improve the living condition of the parents, and the parents that don't want to charge the children with their own problems. That's why it's a very interesting solution. The parents can stay at home, they can increase the revenue, they can travel, they can do something in the house to put, for example, better access for the rocking chair, or rocking chair, the elevator, or for the they can put also the option medical assistance at home, and the children, they can be sure that the parents have better life condition, additional revenue, and they don't need to spend more money, and they can continue to worry about their own family.
Yeah, I think on the other side, this is, I can follow you, but from a company point of view of Turquoise Finance, you need to finance this. I think the whole investment, do you have a particular fund for this? And how does it work?
So the idea of Turquoise Finance, which have already 10 10 years experience on this market is to bring the investors to this highly profitable market, the international, the institutional investors to this market. And the main risk that you have, it's the question of the property release, so the life expectancy. And we have now a Fonds Viager Life SICAV SIF, which is a financial product having the agreement of CSSF, so Commission Surveillance des Secteurs Financiers in Luxembourg. Is the open-ended SICAV, and the objective of this product is to mutualize the risk, to acquire several properties. So the objective is to acquire 400 properties, and then you cancel this longevity risk, because you are mutualizing, and by the law of average, you don't have the longevity risk anymore. It's going to the pure statistics, to the business plan.
I see. So as an investor, if I would like, I think maybe have 20, 50, 100 million, and I see this as a kind of booming market because people are getting age. On the other side, cigarettes by real estate. How do you see the trend for the future, just in general, in Europe?
The trend in Europe,
as an investor opportunity.
As an investment opportunity, is a highly interesting investment opportunity, because you have, like you remember of the sample, you acquire the property on paying only 20% of the value. You have the 100% occupancy. You have a very simple to understand product. You have very transparent product, and the market is growing. The market is growing from year to year because the financial problems, they are growing. The aged people is more and more in each country. And we think that in the 10 coming years, the market will be fivefold more bigger than nowadays.
This has been very impressive. I think I have learned a lot now that it's not only Viager, something French maybe, but it's really a good opportunity. And based on my research, I think it's a very innovative financial solution. So thanks a lot for these explanations. I would like to thank you for having been here. It has been very interesting, Ms. Chalamova. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
This has been Let's Talk About Business with Helene Chalamova from Turquoise Finance. And thanks a lot, and see you very soon. Bye-bye.